Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a photo layer in VN. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on the project. And after that, press on a photo layer and press on replace. And you can just press on photos here. And after that, replace it with a photo, for example this one. And as you can see, now the photo layer has just been replaced with another photo, and you can see how it's going to look like. You can place it here in the screen wherever you want, how long you want it to be, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.